Order, order. This court is now in session for the case of Ronald McDonald versus Burger King. Mr. McDonald, you may begin. Your Honor, we are here today because the defendant has made a defamatory, outrageous comment about my ice cream machines.
Oh please, Your Honor, I was just simply stating the truth. All I said was that McDonald's ice cream machines are more broken than their free Wi-Fi.
You hear that? That comment caused emotional distress to our community.
Emotional distress? Ronald, your machines break even if someone breathes near them. They're more fragile than my ex-wife's feelings.
Your Honor, he's just being misleading. Our machines break for legitimate reasons.
Yeah, because you're too lazy to fix them. You run a multi-billion-dollar company, yet you can't spend a couple hundred to fix one machine? Jesus, how lazy are you?
At least I don't wear a crown the size of Texas to hide from my insecurities.
Ooh, someone's getting spicy. And it's not your nuggets.
You son of a bitch, you want a piece of me? That's enough. Your Honor, due to the defendant's hostile behavior, I'd like to call my attorney to the stand.
Go right ahead.
You have every right to contact your attorney.
Oh, this I gotta see. Who did you drag in home? They better have a good law degree.
Trust me, they're far more qualified. I call my attorney to the stand.
Well, well, well. If it isn't the oversized grape himself. Say that again, I dare you. Your drink is a biohazard, buddy. I've seen the videos. I'm surprised the CDC hasn't filed their own lawsuit yet. You believe every video some kid posts at 3 a.m.?
Exactly. You can't believe everything on the internet, you cardboard crown-wearing shithead.
That thing looks like it crawled out of a glowing space crater. At least it doesn't smell like a burnt tire doing taxes. Just take a moment to look at this, Your Honor. A grown man having an outburst over a comment on their broken machines. You see how sensitive this guy is?
Sensitive? Sensitive? Say one more goddamn thing about my machines, and I'll show you sensitive. Mr. McDonald, if you threaten the defendant one more time, I will hold you in contempt. And Grimace, your opening statement, please.
Your Honor. Members of the jury, I stand before you, not just as Ronald's attorney, but as a representative of common sense, basic decency, and drinks that don't taste like charcoal. The defendant has publicly humiliated my client by claiming that their ice cream machines are always broken. This false narrative is circulated across the internet, misleading millions. It made people pull up in front of their drive-thrus at 1 in the morning just to be disappointed. Not by us, but by people like you. Go sit down somewhere, you big-ass purple polka dot. You don't know what you're talking about. He also made references to the so-called Grimace shake trend. He implied that my shake is a biohazard. Now I am aware of people turning my shake into their own little horror flick. I've seen the videos of these kids acting like they're auditioning for some low-budget horror movie. Yeah, because your drink looks like it came straight out of the nuclear power plant. Say that again and I'll make you look like a nuclear test gone wrong.
Grimace, don't.
As I was saying, the defendant is weaponizing internet rumors to distract from the actual issue. He's clearly insulting my client's company with reckless disregard for truth. Let the record show. Our ice cream machines are not broken all the time. Sometimes they're just cleaning, or rusting, or just simply misunderstood. Are you saying your machines get tired? What are they, alive? That's none of your business. All I ask is that justice be served, and that the defendant be held accountable for his mocking and misleading comment. That was the stupidest statement I've ever heard.
Well, I don't see you coming up with a better one.
That may be true, but I know someone who can. I call my attorney. Wendy.
No. He did not.
Did you miss me, old McDonald?
Any opening statements?
Yes, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen. And Ronald.
Fuck you.
I stand before you today, representing the defendant, the marvelous magical Burger King. Who is being sued for hurting Ronald McDonald's feelings. Before I start, can I just say that this entire case is a waste of time?
Preach.
Let's review the facts. The king has made a joke about McDonald's broken ice cream machines. A joke supported by memes, videos, songs, and cringy dances.
Those people are anarchists.
Point is, it wasn't defamatory, it was just people with a sense of humor. Now, on to Mr. Grimace's so-called opening statement, which I'm sure was very emotional for him, considering he spent half of it threatening the defendant and the other half about his own drink. He claims that the king has spread misinformation. How cute. This is coming from a guy who released his purple milkshake that made the internet write obituaries for themselves.
Keep talking and I'll make sure you end up on an obituary.
Oh, I will. And unlike you, Grimace, I don't need to loom over anyone to make my point. Anyway, Your Honor, this case isn't about slander. It's about Ronald not taking a joke.
I can take it. I take it constantly. I take everything.
Yeah. Including everything personally. The king's comments were both fair and accurate. We have proof that the plaintiff has no case and no damages.
Nice.
That's all.
You know, Wendy, you talk a lot of trash for someone whose fries taste like freezer burn.
At least we have fries, Purple Hulk. Your whole brand is, I exist.
Keep trying me. I've eaten entire mascots for less.
Please. You couldn't even eat a carrot stick without choking on air.
Keep it together, Grimace. We practice this.
And you're gonna throw her across the room and eat her alive.
Order in the court. Grimace, if you dare commit violence in my courtroom, I will hold you in contempt.
Wendy, you are killing it today.
I know, right?
All right, if the attorneys are done behaving like toddlers, we will now hear from the witnesses. Starting with you, Mr. McDonald. I call Colonel Sanders. Tell him, Colonel.
Now listen here. I don't want no
Would
trouble.
you say that my machines...
Son, listen very carefully.
Huh?
I ain't getting involved in your little clown nonsense. That's just not my problem.
Wait. What?
You heard me.
But you literally agreed to this, though.
I ain't agreed to nothing. I'm only here 'cause someone lured me with a coupon for free biscuits.
So you refuse to testify?
Correct. This room smells like melted plastic.
Very well. Mr. King?
I call my loyal coworker.
Please state your name and relation to the defendant. My name is Kyle. I work the late night shift at Burger King, and I never want to go back there again.
Kyle, you're supposed to be defending me, not giving the plaintiff an advantage.
I'm not defending you. What?
Why?
Because I am underpaid. Actually, I'm never paid.
You're paid. What are you talking about?
Last week you gave me $20 in Monopoly money.
Hey, you can still buy stuff with that.
And one time you gave me an expired Arby's coupon.
Only because I ran out of money. Excuse me? You used our expired coupon as employee pay? We have the meats, not the Monopoly money. It was expired, why do you care? It still has value. I'm gonna sue the hell out of you for brand misuse, wage theft, and emotional damage.
Arby's, sit down.
You're lucky I won't beat the shit out of you. You better watch yourself, punk.
My goodness, this court is in absolute chaos. What is going on? Why is everyone against me?
Because you're suing me over some goddamn ice cream.
Very well. Before we move forward, does the prosecution have anything else to say? Yes I do. I have had enough. For years I've been pushed around on the internet. Every time someone asks me for ice cream and I say the machine is down, all of a sudden they don't want to eat here anymore. Now I know what you're gonna say. Ooh, if the machine is down, just fix it. I can't fucking fix it. I'm a clown, not a mechanic. Do you know what it's like to wake up every morning and check on Twitter and the first thing you see is people ranting on fucking McDonald's ice cream? My whole brand is supposed to be happy, joy, family-friendly fun. Not this. And you have the audacity to mock me? Me, the guy who invented the Happy Meal? You think I don't hear the jokes? Ooh, the ice cream machine's broken again. Ooh, let's just go to Dairy Queen. Ooh, Ronald is such a clown. Well, no shit, you dumbass. I may be a clown, but at least I'm a successful one.
Debatable.
Oh, now you wanna start talking? You think your little roasts make you so cool, huh? You're one company away from turning into a gas station. Now back to you, King. Your whole kingdom is a parking lot. Your crown is plastic. All your burgers are flame-grilled lies. And since you wanna talk about machines so much, let's talk about how you spit more grease than a fire hydrant on cholesterol. I'm tired. I am so tired of carrying the multi-billion-dollar company in size 18 shoes. Do you know how hard that is? That's enough, Mr. McDonald. No, I'm not finished. I want justice for my ice cream. And you can go to hell, Burger King. Mr. McDonald. Sit. I think I made my decision. This court rules in favor of absolutely fucking no one.
Wait,
What? Everyone here is guilty for wasting my time. And for giving me the worst headache ever. I sentence you all to life in prison. If you're not out of my courtroom in the next 20 seconds, I'll throw your ass in the electric chair. Case closed.
well, back to the slammer again. This can't be.
What kind of bullshit justice system is this?
Yo, Burger King. Let's have a little chat. Oh no.